Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name's Gina, and today I'm gonna finally pick my winner for my $1 billion brow prize. Y'all, I got sick. I completely forgot about it. I didn't get a whole lot of entries on it, so I didn't sweat it too much. Right now we're gonna see how many people actually entered the giveaway. So that was the video, and we're going to see what the random comment picker says. It says that 6 people entered. Now, one person is going to get the set that I specifically said I was giving away. Everybody else who entered, I'm going to ask for your address and I'm going to send another little prize to the other 5 of you, since everybody had to wait. So as long as everybody reaches out to me and gives me their name, their address, and they are in the lower 48, I will send you a little something, since, you know, it's my fault that I forgot about it. So let's see who won. So let's scroll down and push start and see who won. Yee, Cindy, you won! So super lucky Cindy, you won. As long as you are subscribed to me, which I am almost 100% sure that you are, you get the $1 billion brow. Now, everybody else, I will respond to you in a comment saying, hey, you know, can I get your information? Because like I said, it was my fault that I forgot to do this, and I will send you all a little happy. So thank you so very much. Congratulations to Cindy. You will get the $1 billion brow kit and probably a few extra things in there. I'm so excited that you won. Her comment, by the way, says, hi Gina, love that brow set. So thanks everybody for participating and being patient with me and my scattered brain. Y'all, thanks for spending time with me. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and press the notification button. Have a wonderful day and God bless.